welcome. My name is Angela. Today we're going to learn the past tense for the verb to be. And we're going to learn how to ask where someone was before. Yesterday, last week, how to ask in past tense and how we can say where we were or she was last week, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with others. Let's get started. Hello, everyone. What's your name? What's your name? My name is Angela. Welcome today. How are you? I am very happy to see you. Welcome. If you've seen my past classes, you know that we learned the verb to be. If you missed the class, you can check it out. It's this one here, which is class 6 on our 30-day challenge, okay? Have a look. We learned to be I am, you are, she, he, it is, we are, and they are. Today, we're going to learn past tense. Past tense of the verb to be. Do you know what they are? I was, you were, she, he, it was, we were, they were. Okay, just simple past tense. That's what we're going to practice today, how we use that. Okay, I was, you were, she, he, it was, we were, and they were. You ready to get started? In that course, we learned some new words. We're going to review them really quick. If you weren't there, you can look at them now. Work, work, school, school, park, park, library, library. Has 3 sounds. Library, library. Excellent. Museum, museum. Very good. Excellent. So we're going to use where, and we're going to add the verb to be in the past tense. Okay, so where was, where were, where was, where were, where were. Let's practice this. So here's our question. Where were you? So not right now, where are you? Past tense. Where were you? Yeah, we can see there. Where were you? So we're going to say I was, not I am, because it's not right now. Past. I was. Where were you? At, where's that? School. I was at school. Where were you? Where were you? I was at school. I was at school. Okay? How about this one? Where were you? Where were you? I was, where were you? At the museum. So let's practice. Where were you? Change your voice. Where were you? Where were you? Like a mom. Where were you? I was at the museum. I was at the museum. I was at the museum. Very good. How about this one? Where were you? Where were you? I was at the park, right? Where were you? I was at the park. I was at the park. I was at the park. If we say it quickly, yeah? How about this one? Where were you? Where were you? I was at work. I was at work. Where were you? I was at work. Very good. This one, where were you? I was at the library. Yeah, where were you? I was at the library. Where were you? I was at the library. Practice it. I was at the library. I was at the library. I was at the library. Say it a little bit faster. Very good. How about she? Where was she? Where was she? Where was she? We say she. What's our verb? Was. Very good. At. Where was she? School. She was at school. Where was she? She was at school. Excellent. How about this one? Where was she? Where was she? She, past tense verb, was at the park. Where was she? She was at the park. She was at the park. She was at the park. Excellent. Where was she? She was at the library. Excellent. Where was she? Where was she? She was at the library. She was at the library. She was at the library. Very good. How about he? Where was he? Where was he? So we're going to say he, past verb, was at the library. I'm sorry, the museum. He was at the museum. He was at the museum. He was at the museum. Where was he? He was at the museum. Very good. How about this one? Where was he? He was at work. Excellent. Where was he? He was at work. He was at work. He was at work. Where was he? He was at work. Very good. So we learned, where were you? I was at work. Where was she? She was at work. Where was he? He was at work, right? Easy peasy. How about them? So we're going to say where. What's our past tense? Where are? No. Do you remember? Where were they? Where were they? Where were they? Where were they? So we're going to answer they. Our past verb were at work. I see. Easy peasy. Where were they? They were at work. They were at work. They were at work. Where were they? They were at work. How about this one? Where were they? Not at the library. So we're going to use they, past verb, were. Where were they? At the museum. Excellent. Where were they? Where were they? They were at the museum. They were at the museum. Where were they? Tell me. Where were they? They were at the park. Excellent. They were at the park. Where were they? They were at the park. 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 Good job. Where were they? They were at the library. You got it. Where were they? They were at the library. 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 We can say it in different tones, right? Try that. Where were they? Where were they? Where were they? They were at the library. They were at the library. Excellent. Very good. So we practiced today our places: work, school, park, library, museum. These are common places. So practice asking, where were you? Where were they? Where was she? Where was he? Where were we? It's a lot of W's. Where were we? Where were we? And then answer that. We were at work. She was at work. They were at work. Okay? Practice that and we'll see you in our next class. Good job, everyone. Bye. Hello, my English groupies, and thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button below. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment. I am Angela, and I want to thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in my next class.